KXI42 says.
To alert you of impending hazards. This test is normally conducted weekly around 11 a.m. If hazardous weather is imminent or occurring, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the alert tones will only be activated for the following counties in the KDO89 listening area within Missouri. The alert function will automatically reset later. St. Charles, Warren, and the city of St. Louis.
This finally activated.
Madison, Monroe, and St. Clair. If your receiver was tone activated, the alert function will automatically reset after the test. This concludes our test for this week, and we will now resume normal programming. Thank you.
Well, guess it was a good test, but none of these activated, so it's all good, I guess.